Okay, now let's look at how we can use sine rule to solve for unknown angles. We have seen sine rule two forms: a over sine A, b over sine B. So this form is usually recommended to solve length, and the reverse, this form is recommended to solve angles. Okay, reason why this is preferred, you go figure out yourself. Okay, now let's start solving this. First thing is we need to find a complete pair and a broken pair. Okay, theta is the unknown, so we pair, this is the broken pair, this is angle A, this is A, so this is the complete pair, so this is B, so okay, sine theta, which is the A, over 7 is equal to sine 67 over 11. Okay, now we're going to see why this is preferred. So I want to make theta the subject, so I multiply 7 on both sides. Okay, now to solve theta, you take the inverse of sine. Inverse of sine. This one, if you don't know what I'm talking about, refer to the trigo ratio videos. Okay, basically sine is a function, we cannot cancel off just like that. So take the inverse. Okay, so I believe right now you should have seen the pattern why this form of sine rule is simpler to find angles. Okay, if you don't know the press inverse sine, you can also refer to my videos on how to use calculator to find angle. Okay, make sure your calculator is in degree mode. I stress this so many times. Okay, now we're dealing with angles. Whatever value you have, you must round off to one decimal place, not 3 significant figures. Angles, 1 decimal place. Don't forget to put a degree sign. Okay, now let's do the second one. Part B. Okay, now you might have difficulty finding this because we don't have the length. But when we try to solve this following our usual convention, finding a pair, complete pair and a broken pair. Okay, so maybe we can find this angle first, and subsequently we take angle sum of triangle and we can find theta. So sometimes it may not be so straightforward. Okay, let's begin. Okay, I forgot to label. So this angle A, side A, B, side B. Sine A over 7, sine 31 over 4. Multiply 7 on both sides. Take the inverse of sine. Okay, punch that into the calculator. $64.33167. Okay, anyway, over here, I'm not rounding off to 3 significant figures because this is not the final answer. So do not round off when you are not at the final answer. So intermediate working like this, always leave it in at least 4 or more significant figures. Okay, to maintain the accuracy. If not, later on when you round off, the answers will not be accurate. Okay, so now in order to find theta, we use angle sum of triangle. So angle theta 880 minus this that we have just found, minus 31. Okay. So this is the final answer we want, and therefore we can round this off to 1 decimal place. Angles always to 1 decimal place. You don't forget to write the reasons for this. Angle sum of triangle. Okay, that's it.